too long ago, I finished wrapping my car, and it got me thinking, why don't more people do it? Considering that most paint jobs nowadays are going to cost you at least $3,000, wrapping a car is pretty much one of the cheapest things that you can do besides maybe like a plastic dip. And if you do take a look at my car, you can see that I really didn't mess up that bad, so it must not be that hard. Now I will say that the entire process, you do have to learn what you're doing. So beforehand, what I did is I watched a million videos on how to wrap and basically got a general idea for what I was going to be doing with the car when the material got here. I also know what material I wanted and how it was going to react. I read all kinds of reviews on this stuff, and yeah, I basically just educated myself. Was it easy? Not really. It was actually kind of difficult in some spots, but once you get the gist of what you're doing and you've learned basically how the material reacts, it's not that hard. Does it take a lot of time? Yeah. So what are my thoughts now that the car is completely finished? I'm honestly really glad I did it, and there's a couple reasons. One of the main reasons is for personal achievement. I like to do things on my own to prove that I can do them. It makes me feel good about myself. Another reason is because this was one of the biggest changes I've done to my car. I mean, a complete color change is going to make a big difference with any car, more than any other mod. And I was able to do it on a budget because I planned it out. Now, most people out there are saying, well, you're thinking to yourself, well, I don't have the money to take my car to a shop and have someone wrap it. Well, that's the thing. You don't have to. I wrapped this entire car 100% by myself, zero help from anyone else, in my garage, using very simple tools. I'll get to how much everything cost me in a bit. The entire wrap, I'd like to say, took me about 40 hours. That's give or take a little bit. A lot of the time you're gonna end up messing up a little bit. You're gonna have to learn how to do stuff, basically, so you're gonna probably waste a little bit of time, a little bit of material. The square footage I ended up using, if anyone else is curious, if you have an RSX, mine obviously has the wide body kit on it. The front bumper's a little bigger. I ended up ordering 51 feet in total for the whole car. So 51 feet, I spent about 40 hours doing it. Not that bad when you think about it. One of my best investments so far, I think, in the car. Favorite mods. So the number everyone's been waiting for is how much money did it cost to wrap my car by myself, change my entire car color, and the answer is about $600. 570 to be exact. So $570 plus a heat gun, which I expect is about, I don't know, I'd say a heat gun is about $30 at a hardware store. So let's say $600 to completely wrap your entire car, change the entire color. If you are thinking about wrapping your car, I would say just do it. If something bad happens to your car, I don't take responsibility for that. but it is one of those things everyone who, if you're out there and you're thinking to yourself, man, I really want to do it, just do it. Just literally just do it. What's the worst that can happen? If you're scared about it, buy a sample roll, buy some kind of little thing you can work with, maybe wrap just one piece of it, just buy enough for that. And yeah. Now I do have some tips if you are going to wrap your car. Some things I've learned. The material cannot shrink. You can't shrink the material. What I mean by that, you can't have an area where it's wrinkled and you apply heat to it and it will heat shrink the whole thing to have no wrinkles, right? You can only stretch it. So if you have an area where there's crevices and there's, like, let's just look at this over fender here. So this is a fairly normal surface, but then you get to here, all of a sudden, this is going to be much less surface area because it goes inward than the outside. So what does that mean? Well, if you can't do anything about this and you have to make this not bunch up, you have to stretch this side so that this side isn't bunched up. This side will stay the normal side. This side will be your baseline. You'll apply it to here, and then everything over here you'll need to stretch so that it fits on that part. Because remember, you can only stretch it, you can't shrink it. So the small areas you have to plan around. You have to make this your priority. So, would I wrap my car again? Absolutely. 100%. It is so worth it. Just weighing your options. If you can wrap your car yourself, it's going to save you so much money that literally you could do 5 colors before you had the cost of a paint job. And if you do mess up, you could just peel it off. If you mess up a paint job, you can't do that. With a paint job, you just can't do that. Plus, 99.99% of people are not going to paint their car at home. They're going to take it somewhere because no one knows how to paint a car. Wrapping, though, is something that is a learnable, easily accessible skill that there are so many flies that anyone can do it. So, in conclusion, how much does it cost to wrap your car? Well, it depends on the material. I spent $600 in total. I didn't mess up any panels, so I didn't waste any material at all. I used a 51x5 roll of material, and it was great. Well, I used a 45x5, and then I bought an additional 6 feet because I had the side skirts to do. I had other parts to do, so that was the extra 6 feet by 5 feet. And yeah, it worked out for me. That was what I needed. I ended up with not too much left over. I used all of it, and I didn't have any mess ups or anything. Now, should you wrap your car? I can dumb it down and say for the most part, for most cars, for most people, yes, you should wrap your car yourself. I don't have any prior experience wrapping anything. I mean, a million years ago, like when I was maybe 14, I helped wrap my friend's car, but that's it. And then it was only one panel. It was just a hood. So I have pretty much had zero experience wrapping a car, and I put something together that looks good. I have almost zero mess ups or wrinkles or anything like that. The bumpers are a little iffy in a couple spots, but yeah, honestly, I'm 90% sure you could do this. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to drop a like down below. I would really appreciate it. It really helps out my channel. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. You're beautiful. Have a great day. I love you. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.